Sandali lang, kung naghahanap ka ng bank foreclosed house na sulit, pakinggan mo to dahil mabilis mawala ang ganitong unit. This is a bank foreclosed property and lot, no bidding basta walang kasabay at as is where is. Kaya kung sino ang unang mag-reserve, siya ang makakakuha. Located in Kensington, Phase 9, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area 58.50 square meter, floor area 60 square meter. Perfect for families dahil may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price 2,253,000 lamang. Mas mababa kaysa market value. Now, mag-sample computation tayo para klaro kung kaya mo to. 20% down payment, approximately 450,600. 80% in-house loan, around 1,802,400. Payable up to 5 years. That gives you an estimated monthly amortization na nasa 34,000 to 36,000. So, magkano ang required income? For approval, recommended 110,000 to 120,000 monthly household income para comfortable at safe sa budget. Take note, bank fees sa transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash payment or in-house loan. Reminder lang, and lot plus bank foreclose plus no bidding equals sobrang bihira. Kapag may kasabay ka, wala na agad ang unit. We offer free house tour assistance, kaya message mo na kami ngayon. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!